Hi, this is Peter with ArmyNavyOutdoors.com, and this is a product briefing. So I'm talking to you about a stainless steel canteen. It's not sexy, it's old school, and that's what it is. It's old school cool for when you want to go out into the field and you want something original but functional. This is a remake of the World War II stainless steel canteen. It's a single wall, and that's really important because that way you can heat it up, you can put it into a fire on the coals, boil with it. There is a plastic cap, and so you can unscrew it if you don't want to use it with the lanyard. Some people just cut the chain or take it off, so that way when you are putting it in a fire, you want to keep that plastic obviously away from it. This was made really well. It actually fits in very nicely. If you hold it and feel it, this canteen cup is very solid. Those of you that know, this is not only a cup, it's a cooking pot. You can put your stove under it, and it's really functional. And we always say, one is none, two is one, meaning if you want to purify water or cook, have multiple ways of doing it. So you can use this canteen, obviously, to boil your water. You can use this cup to drink or cook out of. So it's super functional. It goes into all of the modern canteen MOLLE pouches. And it's just a good piece to have. And like I said, it's old school cool. And this is ArmyNavyOutdoors.com.